Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking project design ideas for modern home decor and real profit. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Starting woodworking as a beginner is rarely just about building something out of wood. It's often about rebuilding something within. There's a quiet but powerful emotional reward that emerges the first time your hands shape raw timber into something functional, beautiful, or even a little crooked, but undeniably yours. That sense of creation touches a primal part of the human spirit, the desire to make, to shape, and to leave something tangible behind. For a beginner, every project starts with hesitation and self-doubt, the measuring and remeasuring, the trembling first cuts, the sound of sandpaper rasping through quiet contemplation. But as the form begins to emerge, so too does confidence. You start to trust your hands, your instincts, and most importantly, your ability to finish what you start. There's a deep emotional payoff in that moment when the object stands on its own, when it holds weight or fits perfectly in a corner or receives that first compliment from someone who doesn't know how rough the beginning was. It's in these small victories that beginners are hooked, not just by the result, but by how the result makes them feel. And that emotional reward isn't fleeting, it multiplies. Because woodworking offers a tangible result: a coffee table, a jewelry box, a wall shelf, or a planter. You can touch it, you can gift it, you can sell it. In a world filled with screens and fleeting digital gratification, woodworking brings back permanence. It's the opposite of swipe and forget. It's slow, tactile, and grounding. And when you realize that others value what you've made, not just emotionally, but monetarily, it ignites something deeper. Profit becomes more than a number. It becomes validation. It tells you your hands can provide, your creativity is marketable, and your time is not just spent, but invested. For a beginner, this changes everything. What began as a hobby becomes a calling, or even a side hustle, or a business with its own name and loyal customers. The dream of making a living with your craft no longer feels naive, it feels possible. And in that possibility, motivation finds fertile ground. The potential for profit is not just a reward, it's a driving force. It allows beginners to reinvest in tools, in higher quality materials, in better finishes, and more ambitious projects. It turns the humble corner of a garage into a workshop, the spare hours of a weekend into a discipline. But even beyond the financial aspect, something remarkable happens. Each time you finish a project, you learn a little more, not just about joints and stains and grain direction, but about yourself. You learn how to stay patient, how to recover from mistakes, how to problem solve on the fly. And these lessons seep into other parts of life. The same persistence you show when a board splits unexpectedly becomes the resilience you apply when things fall apart elsewhere. Woodworking builds more than furniture, it builds character. There is also something sacred in working with a material that was once alive. Wood is never just wood. It has history, weight, story, and texture. Even scrap wood carries a mystery in its knots and imperfections. When a beginner begins to appreciate this, when they stop trying to fight the material and instead work with it, that's when real growth happens. That's when they stop mimicking and start creating. And it's often through this creative expression that they begin to discover their niche. Rustic farmhouse pieces, minimalist Scandinavian lines, reclaimed wood art, or heirloom toys. That niche becomes a signature. That signature attracts customers. And slowly, silently, they're no longer just a beginner, they're a woodworker. Yet the journey is never linear. There are failed cuts, wasted lumber, unfinished projects. There are doubts. But the emotional reward, combined with the tangible product and the whispers of potential profit, create a powerful cycle that pulls the beginner back to the workbench again and again. It's not perfection that sustains them, it's purpose. Every new project becomes a new beginning, a new opportunity to grow. It teaches humility and pride at once. Because with each build, you're also building yourself. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The magic of woodworking isn't found solely in the wood itself. It's in the transformation, not just of materials, but of the person behind the tools. For beginners, the experience can feel almost spiritual, a meditative dance between patience and purpose. Each mark, each imperfection carved into the wood becomes a kind of fingerprint of the maker's soul. It's raw, it's real, and in a world that often feels mass-produced and impersonal, that kind of honesty holds weight. A beginner might start with a simple shelf, unsure of how it will turn out. But in the careful planning, the rhythm of sanding, the final satisfying stroke of finishing oil, it becomes more than a shelf. It becomes a story, their story. And that transformation from raw board to meaningful object reflects an inner transformation, an awakening of creative potential that's been buried under the noise of everyday life. What inspires a beginner to keep going isn't just the promise of money or praise, it's the feeling. That quiet rush when a project comes together. The satisfaction of seeing your progress laid out in a clean dovetail or a polished edge. The comfort of knowing you've made something that could last longer than you. And yes, there's the money too, the moment when someone else values your work enough to pay for it. But even that transaction is intimate. It says, I see what you've created, and I want it in my home. That's not just a purchase. It's a form of admiration and respect that fuels the maker to keep crafting. As the beginner continues, they start seeing the world differently. Every fallen tree becomes a possibility. Every broken pallet becomes a blank canvas. Wood is no longer just material, it becomes language. They learn to read the grain, to hear what each piece wants to become. This is when woodworking evolves from task to artistry. The beginner starts designing instead of copying. They combine form with function. A cutting board isn't just a flat surface, it's an aesthetic statement. A storage box becomes an heirloom. Each project deepens the dialogue between the maker and the medium. The tangible result isn't just a table, it's a testament. The profit isn't just income, it's encouragement. And that full circle, that ever-spinning wheel of emotion, creation, and validation becomes the fuel that keeps you going, even when the sawdust settles and the workshop grows cold. That's why woodworking sticks with people. That's why so many beginners stay with it long enough to become masters. Because it's not just a craft. It's not even just a passion. It's a way of living with meaning and making that meaning visible, one project at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking project design ideas for modern home decor and real profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look